How to turn on Show Go to Top button on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Show Go to Top on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner, and then just click this one web page view and scrolling, and then just here you will find it show go to top button. Just click on it one click, and as you see show go to top button have been turned on, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.